below me I feel no motion, standing on these mountains and plains, far away from the rolling ocean. Still my dry land heart can say, I've been sailing all my life now, never harbor or port have I known. The wide universe is the ocean I travel, and the earth is my blue boat home. Sun my sail and moon my rudder, as I fly the starry sea, leaning over the edge in wonder, casting questions into the deep, drifting here with my ship's companions, only kindred pillar souls, making our way by the lights of the heavens, in our beautiful blue boat home. I give thanks to the waves upholding me, and the great winds urging me on, breathe me